Hey everyone. We have a question of how do you turn down physical possessions from an inheritance? This is pretty interesting. I've never had this question before. But before we get to the answer, I'd like you to think about a close friend of yours who's struggling with a what if scenario that creeped into their lives. But they were fully prepared because you shared our videos. We would appreciate it, as will your friend. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we're here to educate everyone for free. So please drop your questions for us, and hopefully together we can help some folks along the way. Now, you're not required to receive an inheritance of any kind, whether it's personal assets, financial assets, etc. However, there is a period of time in which you can take action and state formally that you don't want those inheritance assets. And that's called a disclaimer. Oftentimes it's about 9 months, but it does depend on state law. Once you file this disclaimer, the assets will go to sort of the next in line to receive. And that can be based on the estate plan of the person who's passed or by state law if they did not have a plan. Now, if you have missed that deadline, you can also choose to gift the assets to someone that you choose. Of course, gifting the assets, especially if they're financial or significant in value, can have an impact on you personally if it exceeds the annual gifting exemption. Currently, I think we're at $18,000 per year per person. I'd have to double check, but it's somewhere in that neighborhood. That's a federal law. And if it exceeds that amount, you would have to report it to the government. Doesn't mean there's a tax due, but there is a reporting requirement. We hope that you've learned something new here today and that you choose to share. As always, please take care.